Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to find Poshmark coupon code. So if you want to find the Poshmark coupon code, it is actually very simple. You can also access various websites that allows you to access the coupon codes, or you'll also be able to find the coupon codes within the website of Poshmark itself. For that, what you have to do is click on the search bar, type in postmark.com/style-tag/coupon and press enter. Now you'll be led to the coupon interface of Poshmark. You'll be able to find various coupon codes over here. Mostly all of these coupon codes will be used during the sign up. If you sign up using this coupon code, you'll be able to get discount after you sign up. So you can simply click on any coupon code of your choice. After that, you'll be led to another interface where you'll be able to find more information regarding that coupon code. Now over here you can see you'll be able to find the coupon code. You can simply use this coupon code while signing up and you'll be able to get $10 off. This coupon code can only be used during sign up. If you want to use the coupon code while checking out, for that what you have to do is simply go to new tab. Now what you have to do is go to the website which allows you to see the coupon codes. Here I'm just going to go to the coupon follow. If you also want to do that, what you have to do is type in couponfollow.com and press enter. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Coupon Follow. You'll be able to search for a store over here. Simply click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in Poshmark. You'll be able to see the results over here. Click on this option, Poshmark. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll be able to find various coupon codes over here. You'll be able to find the codes like $20 off, $10 off, $200 off, etc. Simply identify the coupon code that you would like to use and click on this option, show coupon code. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to new interface. Now over here, you'll be able to find the code. You can simply copy it. Now you can use this code during the checkout and you'll be able to get the promised discount. So like this, you'll be able to find the coupon code. So that is how you find Poshmark coupon code. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.